Allegheny, York. 6225-AN Teflon Chevron Vee. This short profile PTFE Vee is used in sets for pneumatic and hydraulic applications. Normally they are stacked together, or in conjunction with nitrile Vees of the same profile. Vee packing sets are composed of a top and bottom, male and female component with a varying number of center Vees. The Vees are arranged in a V shape, which helps to create a tight seal. The male and female components of the packing set are typically made of a high wear material such as nylon or PTFE. Temperature, -100 degrees to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Hydraulic Vee packing is a type of packing that uses multiple lip, chevron seals to prevent the leakage of fluids. It is typically used in adjustable gland applications such as telescoping truck hoists, pumps and valves. Here are some of the advantages of using hydraulic Vee packing. It is a cost-effective and reliable way to prevent leakage in hydraulic systems. It is easy to install and maintain. It can be used in a variety of applications, including adjustable gland applications such as telescoping truck hoists, pumps and valves. It provides a tight seal, which helps to prevent leakage. It is made of high wear materials, which helps to withstand the wear and tear of hydraulic systems.